Hello, Divine Kinship, it's Karma, and I wanted to pull out an animal spirit for us, which is the hyena, using humor, wit, and sarcasm. The hyena energy is that of a jokester, a crowd pleaser, but below the surface there's unfulfilled dreams that need to be realized. Are you using jokes to hide old resentments in relationships or masking things that you are feeling uncomfortable about? Or maybe you're not able to discuss those feelings, so that's why you use the humor and the sarcasm as well. The energy clean is charming, witty, and funny. The balance of this energy is using humor to bring light, not shadow.